Good evening. This is Emma. Tonight I'm going to do a video on date night. And I'm going to show you how I took my far pit table and made it a dining table for two. I'm also going to show you how I took my black furniture and I turned it white. I was really tired of looking at all the black, so I decided, why not try white? As you know, my two favorite colors are black and white, so I turned it white. So come along with me as I show you how I use my fire pit table as my dining table for two. Okay, what I have here, I have a flower on each side. I have two candle holders, which I purchased from Goodwill for 50 cents each. And the one in the middle, I purchased from Goodwill for $1. I spray painted them all and made me a centerpiece. And as you can see here, instead of putting the candles, I put the white pebbles just to give it a different look. Here I have the plate, napkin, and the glass. This little setting here all came from the Dollar Tree. So what you see here is less than $10. Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to take your patio furniture from black to white. And as you can see here, this is what my chairs looked like before. I decided I had enough black and I wanted to do something different. And I came up with white. And as you all know, black and white are my favorite colors. So with a few cans of spray paint, I turned my furniture white. And as you can see here, I also turned the love seat white. I have a couple of pillow covers from Amazon and a throw. And the gray pillows come with the sofa. And I purchased it at home, and I think I paid around $99. The chairs were an old set that I have had for years, and they were from Walmart. And I think I may gonna have them a few more years. So let me know what you think about me turning my patio furniture from black to white. So let's get back to date night. I want to show you some lighting ideas for your date night. As you know, candlelight is always good. Here I have placed the chandelier. I have put lighting over here and over here, and my bar area is there. So this is a few ideas on lighting up your date night. Hope I've given you some ideas tonight. If you would, hit like, subscribe, and I will be seeing you in my next video.